Hello everyone, are you looking for an animated banner like this one or this one? You're in the right place. First of all, click on the first link in the description. Go to our ticket system and create a new ticket. Then your ticket is being created by clicking on this. Now you have a new ticket. Then type /banner, upload your GIF file, paste in your token, enter. Now Billy will upload your GIF, and now your GIF is being uploaded. Don't forget to invite Recap to your Discord server. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.